Good afternoon and welcome to Waggies Travels. Well, today I'm out with my children and
Hi!
we're at Kit Hill, just outside of Callington, and I'm going to show you the views. The views are absolutely amazing, We're really far up. So have a look at this. Right, here we go. So here's the view. I will take you for a walk around the outside of Kit Hill. I don't know if you can hear it. It's a little windy now, but when I go around the corner, oh god, it's blowing a blizzard. So as it stands at the moment, Callington is, let me get my bearings, will be sort of off to far right. So in the distance over there is Plymouth. So that's just that's Plymouth over there, and you can see the Tamar in the distance. So, and if we come round, if we go round, somewhere over there is Brentall, which is not too far from where I live. So look at that. There is. We'll go around the other side in a minute. Right. So they've actually turned this into some sort of telecommunications tower, which is a damn shame. But there you go. So anyways, the views are absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to try and do, there is actually a plinth here which will show us where we are. So, right, so looking directly in front of us is Cheesering. I was up there the other day on someone had hurt themselves, and I was up there with work. For those who don't know, I work for themselves. If we come across to here, this is sort of, this direction is sort of Llewellyn and South Pethwyn that way, and then Launceston or Lancing is that way, and then 13.7 miles in that direction. Oh, sorry, 13.7 kilometres is Lifton Church. Brentall is just sort of over there somewhere. I'm sure if I zoom in hard enough, well, I'll be able to see the church at Brentall. But there you go. Anyway, we'll go to the next Plymouth and we'll have a look there. Right, this is looking from the south side of Kit Hill, and where I have the camera pointing now, 37 kilometres in that direction is the Eddystone Lighthouse. If we come around slightly this way, or in that direction by 23 kilometres is Plimpton, and just in that direction is Plymouth. So it's absolutely gorgeous view. I'm still actually not 100% sure what Kit Hill is about. I'm ashamed to say that because I've lived in the area now for nearly 10 years. So, but I'm aware that there is quarries absolutely everywhere. So I'm going to have a look and see if I can actually find out what Kit Hill is all about. Right, so there you go. That's Kit Hill. I've had to take my glasses off because it's that windy. It's moving my glasses. So that's Kit Hill. Oh, a bird of prey apparently. I don't want to go around the corner because we'll end up laying ourselves out. I'm going to go and have a look, as I said a minute ago, to see if I can find out what Kit Hill's actually all about. So
He's actually
Let's go and have a look. Right, so it's amazing what you can find out when you actually read. So, Kit Hill is actually part of old mines, and that behind us is was the engine house and stack. So that you can see there formed part of what is the chimney stack, and that was erected on the summit in 1900. I'll scan round in a minute, but the whole area was given to the people of Devon and Cornwall, Cornwall and West Devon, as a heritage site in 1995. So there you go, have a look at this. So there you go, Kit Hill. It's 1,094 feet above sea level. Was formed in 4000 BC, and has been mined for the ore of tin and copper, arsenic, and wolfram. The only wolfram I know it's wolfram. And in 2006 became part of Cornwall and Devon's World Heritage Site. So I'm just sorry, you have to excuse me, I'm actually reading as I'm looking at it. St John Cowles Folly is to the left of the stack, and a car park below. Right, okay, right, yes, so this car park was actually two sort of tanks. So that there, you see, was the tanks, and that is the stack up there. So that's that is Kit Hill. A brief little tour about. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.